Hey travelers, welcome back to Points Pro, where we share the best tips to make your money work for you. Today, we're diving into how to use credit card points for free travel. Play your cards right, and these points can be your ticket to incredible travel experiences. Learn how to turn those points into free flights, hotel stays, and more. Business class flights, luxury hotels, the works. Let's get started. First things first, you need the right credit card. Look for cards with great sign-up bonuses, 50,000, even 100,000 points. These bonuses can be worth hundreds in travel expenses. Choose a card with high points per dollar spent. Earn 2, 3, or even 5 times points on everyday purchases. Those points add up quickly. My go-to cards are the Chase Sapphire Preferred and the American Express Gold. Always compare cards to find the perfect fit for your spending habits and travel style. Alright, so you've got your shiny new credit card. Congrats! Now, let's talk about maximizing that juicy sign-up bonus. Spend a certain amount within the first few months. Plan your big purchases around this time. Time those purchases to hit that spending threshold. Listen up, because this is where most people miss out. Use your credit card for everything. Groceries, gas, dining out, put it all on your credit card. Earn points for everyday purchases. Spend only what you can pay back in full each month. Let's talk bonus categories. Many cards offer extra points for spending in certain categories like travel, dining, or groceries. This is where you can really rack up points quickly. Take the Chase Sapphire Preferred, for example. It earns 2 times points on all travel and dining purchases worldwide. Those bonus points add up fast. Alright guys, get ready for a game changer. The credit card online portal. Many card issuers have partnerships with major retailers like Amazon, Target, and Best Buy, offering additional points when you shop through their portal. Log into your credit card portal, search for the retailer, and click through to their site. Earn bonus points just for clicking through the portal. Let's talk about taking your points game to the next level. Transferring points to travel partners. Unlock more value by transferring points to an airline or hotel loyalty program. Access better flight availability, snag award seats, and score free upgrades. Book a business class flight to Europe for fewer points. Transfer points to a partner airline's frequent flyer program. Transferring points can save you big time. Let's say you have Chase Ultimate Rewards points. You're eyeing a flight from New York to Paris. You could redeem your points directly through Chase, but check United's Mileage Plus program first. Transferring points could get you that flight for fewer points. Now let's talk strategy, people. Travel during the off-peak season to maximize your points. Airlines and hotels offer award seats and rooms at lower point rates. Aim for shoulder seasons, those magical times between peak and off-peak. Enjoy fewer crowds, shorter lines, and a relaxed travel experience. Here's a pro tip: credit card companies and travel partners run limited time promotions. These can offer bonus points for spending thresholds or increased redemption values. Sign up for email alerts from your favorite credit card issuers and airlines. Look for subject lines like bonus points alert or limited time offer. Stay informed and jump on these promotions to supercharge your point earnings. Now let's talk about the fun part: redeeming those hard-earned points. Free flights and hotel stays are fantastic, but don't limit yourself. Redeem points for unique travel experiences that go beyond the ordinary. Think private concerts, exclusive culinary events, and once-in-a-lifetime adventures. Explore your options and create a truly unforgettable trip. Let's talk about maximizing your points further. Pooling. Some credit cards allow you to combine points from different accounts, whether it's with family members or authorized users. This strategy can be a game changer, especially for big redemption goals. By pooling points, you can reach dream vacations faster. Imagine, instead of waiting years for a family trip to Hawaii, you could combine points and book that dream vacation sooner. Points don't last forever. Track expiration dates and use points before they disappear. Set reminders to check your points balance. Make small redemptions to keep your account active. Don't let valuable travel opportunities go to waste. There you have it, folks. 12 tips to turn your credit card points into travel experiences. Choose the right cards, maximize earnings, and redeem points strategically. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Safe travels and happy point collecting.